Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today with another interesting video in which we discuss most important MCQs from the chapter Biochemistry. So let's go there. Let's start now. Question number 1. Which of the following is a disaccharides? Option A glucose, option B fructose, option C sucrose, and option D starch. So we know that sucrose is made up of two monosaccharides, that is fructose and glucose. So the option C is correct because sucrose is a disaccharide which is made up of fructose and glucose. So the option C is correct. Question number 2. A large number of amino acids polymerize to. A large number of amino acids polymerize into option A vitamins, option B carbohydrates, option C protein, and option D is lipid. As we know that amino acid polymerize into protein molecule. So the option C is correct. Next question number 3. Glycogen is the example of option A fats, option B nucleic acids, option C carbohydrates, and option D is protein. So the answer is carbohydrates because glycogen is made up of carbohydrates. Question number 4. Due to the deficiency of vitamin A causes option A scurvy, option B rickets, option C night blindness, and option D is aging. And we know that due to the deficiency of vitamin A, the diseases night blindness is occur. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Next question number 5. The compound which is found in every living cell and serve as a center of information and control is option A protein, option B amino acids, option D DNA, and option D is glucose. And we know that the molecule or the compound which is found every living cell and serve as a central information and control their coordinations or all their functions, all their hereditary process, that is the DNA. So the option C is correct. Next question number 6. Triglycerides are the building blocks of option A protein, option B carbohydrates, option C lipids, and option D is vitamins. So the triglycerides is the combination of 1 molecule of glycerol and 3 molecule of fatty acids, and 1 molecule of glycerol and 3 molecule of fatty acids, they form the triglyceride molecule. So triglyceride molecule are the building block of lipids. So the option C is correct. Next question. Question number 7. Sugar are the polyhydroxy derivatives of option A alkyl halides, option B aldehyde, option C ketone, and option D is aldehyde and ketone. And as we know that sugar is made up of two monocarbohydrates, that is fructose and glucose. And fructose contain aldehyde group, fructose contain keto group and glucose contain aldehyde group. So the sugar are the polyhydroxy derivatives of aldehyde and ketone. So the option D is correct. Next question, question number 8. Peptide linkage is present in option A carbohydrates, option B lipids, option C protein, and option D is vitamins. So the peptide linkage is present in the protein. So the option C is correct, because in the peptide linkage amino acids are linked to each other by a CONH sequence, in which the carbonyl group of the first amino acid and the amino group of the next amino acid linked to each other by a bond. So the peptide linkage is present in protein molecule. Option C is correct. Next question, question number 9. Plant convert glucose into amino acids, lipids, proteins, and starch. So the plants convert glucose into starch. So the option D is correct. The plant convert glucose into starch in their bodies. So the option D is correct. Next question, question number 10. All are present in DNA except option A deoxyribose sugar, option B ribose sugar, option C nitrogen space, and option D is phosphate unit. And as we know that DNA molecule consists of a sugar which is the deoxyribose sugar, also nitrogen space, and as a phosphate unit too. So the ribose sugar is only the sugar which is present in RNA, and it is absent or it is not present in DNA. So the ribose sugar is correct according to this question. So the option B is correct, that is the ribose sugar is not present in the DNA molecule, and all the three options, option A, option C, and option D, are present in DNA molecule. So the option B is correct. That's for all. So the learners, if you have any query, please write me in my comment box, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and fellows, so we can grow each other. Thanks for watching.